In this video, we're going to be talking about estimated probability and expected outcomes. So an estimated probability is just one we calculate from outcomes we observe. So we do an experiment, we see the successes and the failures, and write a probability from those numbers. An expected outcome is where we've got the probability this time, and we want to work out how many times you expect a success to happen. So if we look at our two formulas for this, so estimated probability is very similar to normal probability. It's how many desired outcomes there are over the total outcomes. It's only we only call it estimated probability because it's not necessarily the actual one, it's just what we're observing. Now, the expected outcomes is we're going to actually take our probability and multiply by the number of times we're doing the experiment, so the number of trials. So let's have a look at an example. So Doug plants 50 seeds from a pack. 35 of these seeds germinate. Work out the probability that the next seed, let's say the next seed he plants will germinate. So the probability is going to equal the desired outcomes. So here, our desired outcomes is 35. He's had 35 successfully germinating so far, over the total, which is 50. Now, with probability, we can leave our fractions unsimplified, but the mathematician in me wants to simplify, so we'll divide top and bottom by 5, 7/10. Now, part B, or the second part, if Doug plants 200 seeds, estimate how many will germinate. So this is an expected outcome. So our expected number to germinate will be our probability, which we've just worked out as 7/10, multiplied by how many times we're doing it. Well, if he plants 200 seeds, we're doing it 200 times. So 7/10 multiplied by 200, well, I'm going to divide by 10, and then I can times by 7, 140. So I would expect 140 of those seeds to germinate.